In this video, I'll be explaining to you how to use stock images in AI video creation. If you want to turn a stock image into a speaking video using AI, I just want to show you how you can go about it. Now, first of all, stock images are images or photos that you buy and you have the license to use it for commercial use. Okay, so there are some stock images that are free. You don't pay for it. It is free of copyright. You can use it anyhow you want. Okay, and there are some that are copyrighted, but once you pay for it or buy it, you have the right to use it for commercial purposes. Okay, now such image, something like this, for example, if I want to use this image to create a video, okay, an explainer video or a product video talking about my services, I can use this picture here to do that. Now, because this is a stock photo, so once I'm using it, I am not going to face any copyright issue because it's a stock photo. Okay, so all I need to do is to download it and make use of it. Now, depending on what you want, you just need to describe the kind of image you want, and the stock image will generate it for you. So it is in your duty, just as you normally use stock images to download graphics or images, you can as well define a character using a stock image website, and it will show you different images. Okay, for example, I searched a photo of a man smiling wearing suit. Okay, so and I saw different images and I chose this one. So depending on the character or the personality that you want, you can simply search to generate a photo for your AI video creation. Okay, let's do one more search. Let me say a lady wearing suit and smiling. All right, so you can see this. I can decide to use this particular one for video presentation. Let me open it in a new tab and let me go back to the other one. Okay, so I have this and I have this. So I can decide to download this particular image and use it for my video AI creation. Okay, so the point is that you can use stock images to create AI videos. Okay, so now this particular site is Shutterstock, and Shutterstock is not free. Okay, you have to pay for the image or graphic you download on this site. So, but there is a way to work around it. You can download the image for free. All right, and quickly, I just want to show you one of the sites you can use to download images on Shutterstock for free. Using this as an example, all you need to do is to copy the URL. Okay, once you copy the URL, this works on both phone and computer. Then you go to a website called downloader.la. All right, so when you come to this website, you scroll down and click on Shutterstock Downloader. Okay, Shutterstock is the site we are downloading the image from. Then you come down here, you enter the URL of the image you copied. Okay, you copy and paste. Now you scroll down and click on search photo. Okay, now at this point it's going to bring out another button that says download generated photo. You click on it and there you go, the photo is downloading. You click open. As you can see, the photo has downloaded. Okay, so at this point all you need to do is to go to your AI video creation site, import this image, and then enter your script and generate the video, and this particular picture will begin to speak whatever script you have imported or typed in your AI site that converts photo into a speaking video, whichever one that you use. Once you import this image will start talking as a video, talking the script that you typed or imported into the AI site. So this is how you can use stock photos for your AI video creation.